What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna be trying to find our CRV front clip. They said it's right here on row 11, so we're gonna see if they got it, and if they do, we're gonna try to cut it off and see if we can get it today. It's already 1 o'clock though. Looks like it's gonna rain, so we'll see how far we get today. I also brought 2 sawzalls just in case one burns out, so we'll see how that goes. You told me there was one right here on row 11, and it's actually not the right year. So let's look at that paper. Oh, it actually says on the paper it's not the right year. I guess I should have looked at the paper first. I just grabbed it and set it in the cart. So we got to go to row 8 space 6. See if we can find that. So yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Hope you guys are having a good day today, and hope your projects are coming out whatever you guys are doing for today. Just trying to keep the vibes positive. We don't know what we might run into today, so if you guys want to check it out, that's what we're looking at. It's supposed to be the Primo lot, but they don't really have the Primo anymore. 6, 7, 8. I was about to say this doesn't go to 8. It does. Oh, and I see a CRV. Nice. Excuse me, brother. Excuse me. Ooh. And that's why I brought the pepper steppers. Because you got all this mud over here. I knew it was gonna be a dirty job.
Yes, I did. Oh, them steppers. What you said?
Okay, here's the first one, and already to know. And he's probably not bad, but it was hit right here, so this is mangled a little bit. I don't want to take any chances. So it looks like we're gonna go check out the other one. That sucks. Walked all the way to the back of this lot, but that's what it's all about when you're trying to score parts at the yard. That is what it's about. Oh, it looks like they opened it. Oh no, I just completely stepped in a puddle. My sock got wet. Whew. So it looks like they opened it up right here. You can go straight to the other side now. It's actually free to come to this side. Looks like they don't really treat it like any different than that side anymore. So yeah. Never seen a Ranger that looked like that. Check that out. Old Ranger. Usually don't see any cool cars when we come, but there's a DA, EK sedan, E46. Usually don't see too many cool cars when we come. Land Rover. This is the other one we came to check out. Damn. Nope, I'm not even gonna continue walking that way. Man, we're getting no luck today. Here's another CRV, and it's crashed. It's all mangled. Damn. And that's what we need too. Dang, they're all stripped out. None of them are 5-speed either, so there's no good things off them. And then almost none of them are all-wheel drive that I'm seeing. That is, unless they took the shafts off already and all that, but I'm not quite sure. But we're not giving up today. We're gonna keep looking. Got the crowd killer right there. The EK. Somebody need those lights. Nobody want those eBay lights. Ooh, approaching the last one that they have here at the yard. Okay, okay. I can work with this. Damn, they did most of the work already. They already took off the everything. They took off the headlight and everything. Won't need that. I'm gonna have to take out the fenders. Oh, you know what I forgot? No. Yeah, I forgot my tripod. Oh, that sucks. Maybe I could like set it down on that car or something. Oh, that sucks. I didn't realize I forgot my tripod. Alright, well, let's get to work. It's a lot set up for us real quick. A lot set out for us to do. So let's knock that shit out, and then I'll update you guys when I'm done. I guess we should save those. You never know. I thought I was about to round that out and then be all pissed off because I couldn't get this off. What is it still holding on to? Oh, okay. Put this down real quick so I can mangle that off.
Shut your mouth, dream a dream, get us out. Dream, 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 dream. Take the head, fast asleep, dream a dream, little bleep. Dream, 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 dream. Close your eyes, shut your mouth, dream a dream, get us out. Dream, 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 dream. Take the head, fast asleep, dream a dream, little.
Es como que está arreglando en el cantón. Pero
I get my camera. And this is where we're at right now. I got all this shit removed right here, and then on this side pretty much everything removed, and then underneath I just took the rear bottom mounts off. I mean the traction mounts, and now I'm gonna start cutting. So pretty much at home it's like right here somewhere, so I need to cut like pretty much straight across right there and all the way up here. I'm probably gonna take a little bit extra just in case I need a little bit more, and I can just always cut it off when I get to the house. So I'm gonna set the camera down up over there again, and I'm gonna get to work, and then I'm gonna keep eyeing my camera, make sure nobody comes and takes it. Somebody came and started working on this car a second ago. That's why I turned the camera off. I know you guys seen me go up to it and like I had to grab it because people came up to it. I didn't want them to take it. So yeah, I'm gonna set it down. I'll update you guys when I'm done.
Captain Hook, run, run, rush, boy, then say to me, away from Ilias Beats, Ilias Beats, Ilias Beats, Ilias Beats. I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan, and when we're bored we play.
Check it out, guys. We got one side off, exactly where we wanted it. And I just gotta get the other side off, and then after we pull it off, then it'll be easy to just slap the take the radiator off and stuff. And then I'm gonna save all these because I don't believe they'll charge extra as long as you leave it on. But I think if you're to leave them like in spare parts like this on here, then they'll try to charge you for them. But if you put these all back where they go and just leave like the main necessity components, then they won't charge you for them. So yeah, now I'm gonna knock this side off. I'm gonna set the camera down, and then I'll get back to you guys when this is done. And it is cut all the way through on both sides. And by the way, if you guys are doing this, if you guys need to cut the front end off, these are the best ones. Torch, I think they're the 18 TPI 9-inch blades. Those are the ones you want to use right there. I used like 2 of them doing this job. You leave this on because that's going to save your ass. When you go ahead and cut it, you're going to see it start swaying, and instead of it just falling on the ground, it's going to stop because of the hose is there to stop you. So I'll take the hose off now, let this fall on the ground, and then I'm going to take the components off I don't need, and we'll be left with just the parts we do need. So we got it off, we got it bare, and parts we don't need. Pretty much should be good to go like that. Now, time for a quick smoke break. Cool. Now let's load this up and let's get this over there. I'm gonna see if we can find a hood. I was gonna take this hood, but if you look at it right there, there's like dents. Kinda don't want that. Might be being too picky though. I might just take it. I don't know if we're gonna be able to find another hood, so might just take it. Not really sure yet, but yeah.
Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude?